How to get out of a deadlock in negotiation. It is indeed a powerful negotiation technique to go into a deadlock, maybe to signal that the proposal from the other party is unacceptable. On the other side, we also want to find a solution. So this video gives you 8 ideas that can help you to get out of a deadlock in negotiation. My name is Giuseppe Conti and I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Let's go with our ideas. The first one, call a break.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Maybe just taking a break will enable the emotions to calm down and prevent an escalation, preventing a full moving out of the meeting, and you can still find a solution inside the same meeting. A second technique is give some additional information, maybe give an explanation, and this may again open up new ways to look for a solution. Third option is making a small concession just to signal collaboration while asking then something else in return from the other party. A fourth idea is highlight the negative consequences of not reaching an agreement and then reframe the collaboration in more positive and collaborative terms. A fifth option that you have is think out of the box and look for new options to move forward. Sometimes adding a new element into the negotiation may enable us to find a solution, while with the current elements we are not able to find one. Sixth idea, change the setting. Just changing the location may, for instance, be a powerful tool. Rather than having the meeting in one of the premises of the two parties, how about having the meeting in a restaurant? And this creates a neutral and more positive type of context. If the 6 ideas were not enough, you still have 2 more. One is changing the negotiation team. Usually it's about escalating, going one level up, also because sometimes the people lower level in the organization may not have the authority to come up with new option. Last idea, involve a third party. This doesn't happen very often in business context, but it tends to happen much more in diplomacy. So in this video, you got 8 ideas that can help you to get out of a deadlock. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check also our website, www.cabl.ch. Thank you very much.